She asked me if I do this every day, I said often. That's how many times she rode the wave, not so often. Bitch down to do it either way. All of this money and I've been losing my mind. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa, and today I'm bringing you guys kind of a fall makeup look, and I really love this look. Okay, I created it using my e.l.f. palette, the Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I really love it, and I hope you guys will love it too. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with all your friends, and comment down below if you have any other video ideas you'd like us to do for you guys, or if you recreate this look, comment it down below and share it with us and tag us on social media so we can know. Anyways, let's get right into this tutorial. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. As always, I'm gonna start off with my VDL primer, and this is the Lumilayer Primer. I've been using this a lot and I like it. Hello. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and color correct, and to do so I'm using the ABH Contour Cream Kit, and I'll be using the color Coral, and just placing that on all of my dark spots, but I'm not gonna blend it in because I feel like it shears it out. Moving on to foundation, guys, I've been using this Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation, and I absolutely love it. If you guys are looking for an affordable drugstore foundation, this one is definitely it because I just love the color on me. I feel like it's a great match, and on top of that, like, it's not full coverage, but it's medium coverage and it's buildable. So I'm just gonna place that with my brush first, and then I'm gonna blend it in with my beauty blender. And just because the beauty blender, it makes it more skin-like, you know, and I don't want too many like streaks, but I'm trying to find a new brush for my foundations, and because I used to love putting my foundation with brushes, so that's what I'm up to, guys. And make sure you blend your foundation well with your neck if you have to. I didn't because I was wearing a turtleneck, but usually I would blend it on my neck too. So now I'm going to move on to highlighting, and I'm going to be using the ABH Contour Cream Kit, and I'll be using the color Nude, and I'm just going to highlight obviously a little bit my forehead, not too much, and then the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow area, my chin, and of course underneath my cheekbones, just to make it pop a little bit. And yeah, I'm running low on this concealer, guys, so if you have any good concealer that you guys like, leave it down below in the comment section. I'd love to know what you guys are using and what are your favorites. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my beauty blender. So now it's time to set those highlighted areas, and to do so I use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the color Blondie, and I've been really liking this powder, guys. Like, I need to re-up. Next I'm gonna contour, and I don't cream contour as much anymore, so I'll just be using my Espresso from the ABH contour kit, sorry, and I'll just go ahead and contour my cheekbones. And I've learned that it's better to contour right on top of my cheekbones since the product is going to go fall down anyways. So that's what I'm just doing, and I'm gonna contour my forehead a little bit too, and my jawline, of course. It's time to move on to the brows, and for my brows I'll be using the NYX or NYX pencil in Espresso, and I'm just going to go ahead and outline my brows, and once they are outlined I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in, and then I'll go ahead and kind of clean them up. And to do so, I normally use either my foundation or this concealer from NICKAK New York in the color Copper. So yeah, I switch between the two because also I don't like the halo around my eyebrows. So I mostly go for something that's close to my skin tone. Now it's time for the fun part, and I'm going to take that e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I'll be taking that brown shade and just packing it on my lids until I get my desired color. So because this is a fall look, I wanted to deepen my crease and the outer part of my eye a little bit. So I went with that shade, I don't know how to describe it. I'm really bad with describing shades, guys. But yeah, I'm just first going to work in my outer corner of the eye, and then I'm gonna bring it in more into my crease just so that it's deepened. And I'm gonna keep working on it until I get my desired color payoff, and I'll just make sure that everything is blended. So next I'll move on to the lid, and to do so I want a shiny color, so I'll be using this kind of reddish color and just packing it on my lid. For this look I didn't put any concealer or carve my lid, and I also didn't spray my brush beforehand. And look at the color, guys. Like, this palette and the color payoff is amazing. Like, you need to get this. I also went in and put that gold color in the inner part of my eyelid, but for some reason I lost the footage. So next, moving on to mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Sensational Lash Mascara. If you guys know this is my go-to. Like, this mascara is amazing because it separates my lashes and it gives it volume and more length, because my eyelashes are already pretty long, but I love this mascara. Like, my sister loves it too. I put her on, so I think you guys should definitely try it because you won't be disappointed. Now it's time for blush, and to do so I'll be using the NICKAK New York Duo Blush as always, and I like applying that by like smiling and applying it on like my cheeks where like they pop out. So it's now time to highlight, and to do so I'll be using these three colors. I'll be using the gold and the reddish color for my face, so my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, a bit of my cupid's bow and my chin. And then I'll be using that third color more for my inner eyes, because you guys know I like a good inner eye, like popping color or whatever. So I'm just putting that in the inner corner of my eyes. Now that my lashes are on, it's time to move on to the lips, and I'm going to be using this Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Leo. And oh my god guys, if you guys knew, I have been looking for this lipstick everywhere for like a year straight. I'm not even kidding you guys, okay? And then the other day I opened my purse and my lipstick was in one of my purses that I just haven't used in a while. Like, how crazy is that? Comment down below if that happens to you guys. If you guys lose your makeup and then just find it like ages later, like when you forgot about it. So that's what happened. I'm just carving my lips and then I'm going to fill them in. Next, I'm going to set my face, first with the VDL Radiant Mist and then with the Milani. And I do this because the Milani is very, very mattifying. So guys, this is the final look. Yeah, I really like this look together. I feel like the dark lip kind of brings it back together. And it's been kind of cold lately here in Montreal. I'm sure it's, you know, all around it's kind of been the same. And yeah, so I decided why not bring in the fall looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really like it. I was gonna go without lashes, but at the end of the day, I feel like the lashes bring it all together. But I could have gone without lashes because if you guys don't know, like, I have really long eyelashes. So I really like this look and I hope you guys enjoyed too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And of course, follow us on social media because we like interacting with you guys and getting to know you guys more. So anyways, I'll see you guys in our next video and have a good day. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Yeah. Up in the Bombay. Ram Town.
Yeah. 1, 2.